friends, good morning. Welcome to an academy, the biggest, the largest learning platform, digital platform. And myself, CA Meeta Mangal, and I'm here to teach you people strategic management at CA interlevel. Now, before going ahead, I'll let you know what I'm going to do today, and I'm really very happy to share, to analyze the paper which was asked in this July 2021 attempt, and you will just love it the way I'm going to compare the paper, the confidence what you're going to get after the analysis. But before going ahead, the best news is Unacademy with Yashas. It's like you are people going to excel with Yashas Academy, getting my point? So now Yashas and Unacademy are together, and if you're writing your group 1 and group 2 in November 2021 attempt, so from 8th of July already the batches have started for group 2. So if you are anywhere in India, you can view this lectures, and it's live as well as it's completely in English, which I personally believe it will help you a lot. Am I clear? So November 2021 aspirants writing group 2 batch is already started from 8th of July, and you will gain confidence to join this class after doing this analysis what I'm going to show you people. Okay, so these are the educators who are going to take the classes and academic platform. The only one thing what you have to keep in mind is use the code YASHAS. Use the code YASHAS while going for subscription. So now question comes, ma'am, why should I go for Unacademy subscription? Boss, it's live interactive classes. It's live interactive classes, unlimited recorded lectures. That means if you have missed the lectures, or if you want to listen again and again and again and again, you can keep on listening to lectures. And multiple educators for all subjects, doubt solving session. Every fourth session is compulsory a doubt solving session, and mock test will be there. So question comes, ma'am, how much you have to pay? There are two type of programs over here. One is plus, other is iconic. When you go for plus, if you go for 6 months, it is 2625 per month only. And if you use the code YESHAS, YESHAS, if you use the code YESHAS, you will be getting 10% flat discount. And if you go for 12 month subscription, it's 1,688 rupees. And again, if you use the code YESHAS, you'll be getting 10% off. And for 12 month subscription, you'll be getting 2 months extra, that is 14 months. Okay, and another is iconic. Right? So now let's come. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to share with you people the analysis. Question number 6 to question number 10. Because then you have 1 to 5, you have EIS, a new syllabus, information technology and old syllabus, and you have MCQs. Am I clear? So MCQs, you know that we will not be having the question paper, but I'm discussing from question number 6 to question number 10. And I'm very happy to share with you people that full paper has come from my book of strategic management. In fact, direct questions nahi, also indirect question also. The best part what I liked is that indirect question also came from my book. For example, if you go to question number 6, Albela food and Just Be Foods. Basically, this question is from chapter 1, which talks about proactive and reactive strategy. So if you go and see, I have shared with you people that in my book, which page number, which question number this question has come from. So question number 6 is from paper. And if you go to page number 3, question number 2. Yummy foods and tasty foods. Listen to me, see, all it's like language, they have just changed the name, they have just changed the industry. Rest, everything is same. Yummy and tasty for successfully competing in the business. Yummy is pioneer. So just let's read this question over here. Let's read the question over here. Albela Foods and Just Be Food, a successful competing chain, and the innovative approach, and one is responding to changes, another is reacting, and one is proactive. If you get a question which is an indirect question from which you've already done, nothing like it. So this 1 plus 3 plus 1 completely in your pocket. So if you have to just refer my book in that chapter number 1. Am I clear? Then let's go to next question. Question number 7a. Again, if you ask me, I always give important questions. So I had given this also important. This is partly proactive and partly reactive. Partly proactive and partly reactive. I always keep on saying student, partly proactive, partly reactive important. And first question, partly proactive, partly reactive. Your confidence will go to next level once you are able to solve, which is a compulsory question. Question number 6 is a compulsory question. Question number 6 is a compulsory question. Then question number 7. Question number 7 belongs to chapter 2. Strategic group mapping. I keep on telling students, how will you come to know the positions? How will you come to know the positions of rival firms? By grouping them. And as you keep on telling them, strategic group mapping. Next important topic in chapter 2. So chapter 2, I keep on telling that strategic group mapping is an important question in chapter 2. Then 7b, again from the book, I have given you people, I have shared with you people page number also, question number also. From where? From my book. So in short, if book is like this, think when I will be taking lectures on Unacademy platform with Yash's Academy, then to what next level you will be having your SM. And if you ask your seniors will always tell that we face problem in group 2 and that too in EIS and SF paper. So if one paper, if SM also you gain confidence, and again EIS will be also done very nicely, your all together group 2 will become easy, because I am even giving you the page number, I am even giving you the question number. What else you want? Okay. Third, strategic decisions. You keep on telling students that strategic decision making is very, very, very important. I also give shortcuts over here. Metal F. I make students learn questions with the help of shortcuts. Metal F, I keep on telling that Metal F, this 6 points are there. Strategic decision making, this 6 points are not there. Routine decision, again from chapter 3. Am I clear? Then 8A. Again, turn around. What are the action plans? If you go and see my book, action plan, turn around strategy, page number 104. From question bank, question number 1. Clearly, what are the steps of turnaround strategy? Am I very clear? That this belongs to chapter 4. Then, competitive landscape, a simple question, chapter 2. Competitive landscape, we all know there are 5 steps. Who are my competitors? What product or services they are offering? What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? And put all the information together and plan your strategy. Am I clear? Yeah, 9th A question. Let's come to 9th A question. There are many companies in the market offering COVID vaccine. Analyze the product in terms of threats of new entrants. Getting my point? Am I clear? Threats from new entrants. This is what? Chapter 5. Chapter 5. Michael Porter's 5 force analysis. So you have to tell over here that, okay, everybody is coming with COVID vaccine. Analyze the product in terms of threats of new entrants. What can be the threats of new entrants? You have to analyze that. This is a question where you have to think practically and give the answer. Then 9B, I just love it. This question is the most in-depth question in the whole paper. What are the issues to be resolved by a business enterprise to have an effective logistic strategy? Getting my point? And I'm so happy to share with you people by saying that this is exactly the same question given in my book in chapter 6 on page number 149, question number 3. So I would just like to share with you people page number 149. Question: what is logistic strategy and what are the areas to examine while developing a logistic strategy? With the answer. with the answer. I'm feeling so happy. The students who have followed us religiously, for them SM paper would be the most easiest paper to crack it. Am I clear? Then let's go back. Let's further discuss. Okay. Then after that, 10A, entrepreneur and entrepreneur. I just keep on telling my students, entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs, really important. The entrepreneur is an individual conceives the idea of starting a new venture. In light of the statement, discuss who was an entrepreneur. Simple, you have to explain who was an entrepreneur. Again, a direct question from chapter 7. And next, discuss in 10B, you have two options. So discuss 10B ka BPR, steps in BPR, and write short note. I used to keep on telling Rachel Rummel's criteria of strategy audit is really very important. Was this chapter, this paper was a one which was really the most expected questions asked, one thing, and this whole paper is there. All the questions, in fact, indirect questions. See, direct, this will be there, this will be there, this will be there. Nothing great. What I loved was 9B was there in my paper. What I loved was question number 6 was in my paper as it is. Just have changed the name, and they had to use the word COVID because we are facing this issues of whatever questions are going to come. Something has to be with a real immediate scenario. Am I clear? So honestly, anybody have gone through my lectures and I've gone to my revision batch. I have taken revision sessions on an academy. I have taken one in-depth revision, like for example, like 8 hours, all 8 chapters, and then a day before the exam also, I had taken revision sessions. So who has followed that? For them, this paper will be most easiest paper. And yes, we've already started group 2 from 8th of July, wherein we are going to start strategic management from 15th of September. We'll complete the whole syllabus in 13 days, and you will be ready with me when it comes to strategic management. So don't forget to use the code YASHES when you go to Unacademy for subscription. We've already started. It's like just 12 days, 8th of July, 20th of July. So crack it. Just finish it off. Give your best by studying with the best. Am I clear? So thanks a lot, and I'm really, this makes me happy that when you are guiding students in right direction, you're helping students to reach to their goal, you feel that you have again reached your goal. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.